Hi folks, I'm your instructor, Dr. Chris Harmon. I'm recording this short video to help you get started so you know how to be successful in this course and that we can get going right away when the semester starts. So many of you I had in Chem 109 last fall, but I have looked at the roster and I know that there are some of you that I did not have for Chem 109. So if you did not have me before, there is plenty of information on this syllabus on this website. There's also a traditional paper syllabus that you can download from the Canvas page that's going to spell everything out for you. So as you can see below me there, your required materials, we're going to continue to use the SmartWorks and the chemistry published by Norton, the same material we used for Chem 109. So if you did have a different Chem 109 instructor last semester, you very likely already have access to that resource. And perhaps if you took Chem 109 last year, you may even still have access to that. If not, please go ahead and get yourself access to SmartWork. I'm not going to require you to so much do readings out of the textbook, but the SmartWork program is the online homework assignment program that's associated with the textbook, and you are required to have that. And there are several options that you can see below if you click on that link. So this is a flipped classroom. So I know that some of you love the flipped classroom and some of you hate it. That's just how it goes. But I want you to understand how to best navigate the flipped classroom. So I do have a video down there below that's going to help you out with that. But in general, just to kind of describe that briefly, you will watch assigned videos at home. And then we will do what would be your traditional homework on the SmartWork program in the classroom. Okay. So everyone, for the most part, will have unique problems that you have to work on, that you have to actually answer for yourself, but we will all work on those together during the class period. We will take weekly quizzes in lecture on Friday, and those quizzes will cover content from the lecture videos. So you are going to be quizzed on those lecture videos, and you'll be able to take the quiz with a group. And so another required material you need to have that you can probably see there below is you need to have a device that you can bring to class every day, and that device must be capable of accessing Canvas and SmartWork. So that might be a smartphone, a tablet, or a laptop. You must bring that to the lecture every single day. So make sure that it's charged just in case you're not able to find a seat next to a plug in the lecture hall. So we will also take our quizzes and exams on that device. So like I said, if you do not have a reliable device, there are some options below there that you can read about. Mostly, renting one from the library if need be. And if you're uncertain about that, please reach out to me right away. Okay, so as far as the lab goes, so you might have also noticed that we're no longer having a 1 week discussion or a weekly discussion meeting. Rather, we're meeting in lab twice a week. So that is to your benefit, and most people that take Chem 110 really, really enjoy the lab. So you're going to be doing a lot more independent laboratory projects. And those are very different than the independent labs you did in 109. I know a lot of you are like freaked out by the independent accuracy labs we made you do in 109. So these independent labs that you're going to do in 110 are much different. It's called qualitative analysis. And I'm going to talk a lot more about that in lecture. But in general, you will be identifying contents of a solution that are unknown to you, but known to us. So it's going to be really fun. People really, really enjoy it. And for lab requirements, you must have goggles, of course, and we still want you to have that 100% cotton lab coat. So you very likely already have those from 109, but if it's been a while since you took your Chem 109, then please note you will want to get yourself a 100% cotton lab coat and splash resistant goggles. So make sure you are on top of that right away. Um, that is all that I can think of for now. I will be meeting very soon in person to go over all of this stuff. But in the meantime, please familiarize yourself with the syllabus and make sure that you can log on to Canvas and that you can start seeing all of the things that you need to do. There are going to be assigned lecture videos that I want you to watch in preparation for our first class meeting, which will be Wednesday. What is that date? Wednesday, January. Oh my gosh, I should have had it in front of me. Wednesday, January 17th will be our first meeting. There are videos that I want you to watch before coming to that meeting. Okay, folks, you can DM me on Canvas or you can email me and I respond very quickly. I look forward to meeting you all.